Okay, so we continue on. Okay, next we'll go to taxation. Okay, so for taxation, okay, so you just add up. You just add up the parent and subsidiary. In this case, parent H. Okay, the taxation. Taxation of parent and subsidiary. So you will add up 150,000 plus 400,000. So you will have 550,000. You minus this from the amount, and you will have 799,500, which is profit for the year. For the year, sorry. Okay, a little bit up here. Profit for the year. And then after that, okay, if you look here, if you look through the example again, after profit for the year, we have other comprehensive income, which is revaluation. So you have parent have revalued the assets, so did S, subsidiary, and also associate company. So after profit for the year, because we already taken up the share of profit of associate here, we have already taken up the share of profit here. Okay, now you need you still need to take up that value, the value of revaluation reserve, which relate to associate company, but by the portion of interest that the holding company own. So we can actually write here. Other comprehensive income, or OCI, other comprehensive income, or OCI. The comprehensive income is actually revaluation surplus. Okay, so parent, subsidiary, as normal, you include it in full. Okay, so we'll take parent and subsidiary. 40,000 plus 50,000 plus 30% of A. Because A is associate company, you just take 80% of A, which is actually 60,000. And you will have 18,000. Okay. So total it up, you will have 108. And then 907,500. Okay. So okay, so some additional information. Now you need to allocate this and this between equity holder of parent and also equity holder of parent and non-controlling interest. Okay. So profit after tax. This one is profit after tax, isn't it? Profit for the year is actually profit after tax. So profit after tax attributable to divide between parent, equity holder of parent, of H and non-controlling interest. Senang saja. Total you mula-mula you ambil total je. Again this one. Again this. And then divide between non-controlling interest and equity of H. Okay, so the easiest way is you find the non-controlling interest and then the balance will be owned by equity of H. Okay, to find how many profit of tax attributable to non-controlling interest. Remember, non-controlling interest only subject to in relation to subsidiary only. So you look at the subsidiary accounts. Subsidiary punya accounts. Kita alih sini. We move it. This one here. Okay, so if you look at the amount here, non-controlling interest, tengok S subsidiary kan, because non-controlling interest, the calculation of non-controlling interest is only related to subsidiary only. For associate company, you don't have non-controlling interest. So you look at the account of S. Okay. Tengok S. S. Profit after tax of S is actually 200. Ni kan. So ambil 200. Yang ni lah biasa you ambil 200. 200,000 times equity non-controlling interest on how many percent? 10%, 10%. Because H own 90%, so non-controlling interest own 10%. So you have 20,000. So the balance will be due is owned by the equity holders of H. So ambil balancing figure saja. Next, total OCI. We also have OCI figure here. Okay, include so we need to allocate this 108,000. Okay, so profit after tax. Sorry, not profit. Other total, we call it total comprehensive income. Total comprehensive total comprehensive income after tax after tax attributable to first equity holders of ash, next, and non-controlling interest. So as usual, you ambil this one lah, 907, yang termasuk figure OCI, which is 907,500. So 907,500 divide between non-controlling interest and equity holder of H. Non-controlling interest and equity holder of H. So you tengok S, you look at S, 200, isn't it? And then OCI dia 500. So yang kita nak divide is actually 200. Profit for the year 200 plus OCI 200,000 plus revaluation of non-current asset, which is OCI, other comprehensive income, 50,000. So that equal to 250,000. So we need to divide that 250,000 between parent and so kita ambil untuk non-controlling interest dulu. So we have 25,000. So the remaining will be owned by equity holders of H, which is you just take the balancing figure, 882 400 500. Okay, okay.